it's enjoyable for me to make, and that you guys
Good morning, beautiful people.
What is up, beautiful people? Thank you for checking out the channel today. Thank you for stopping by. I really appreciate it, every single one of you that are watching right now. Hope your day is going great. If not, let me make it better. Alright, so today I'm going to be talking a little bit about why I started my YouTube channel, my plans for this channel, just where I want to go with everything. Also, LacunaCollective.com, lacuna-collective.com. Check me out on Instagram at Lacuna Collective without the E at the end. And it's the same thing on Twitter and both Instagram. So please check it out. Go ahead and follow me right here at Garry Watch 4 or right here, depending on where it's at. Garry Watch 4, check me out. Appreciate if you share this video, give me a like, a comment, and a subscribe. Thank you so much, and let's get right into this video. Okay, so we'll start off with why I started a YouTube channel. Well, basically, I've wanted to do a YouTube channel for a very long time, since I was about 12. And honestly, with the mindset I have now, I should have just did it. But back then, I was very insecure. I used to think I had a very high voice, and I used to be afraid of what other people would think if I put a video out there, or if my friends or people I knew or considered my friends found my video, what they would think of me as a person, how they would change their perception of me. And now, as I'm older, I realize that it shouldn't matter at all, and I should just do what I feel like doing the things that make me feel happy. So that's exactly what I'm doing. That's part of the reason why I started a YouTube channel. I'm using this as a side project. Not many people that I know this channel. So everybody on this channel, you're pretty much in the first boat right now of people that know about it. Aside from that too, I wanted to go ahead. Oh yeah, also this is a fresh piece. Also aside from that, I wanted to be able to use it as an outlet to motivate more people and just make more people smile. Like at the end of the day, my goal is to just make people smile, make people feel better. So with that being said, like that's my ultimate objective. And so part of the reason I started a YouTube channel was so I could be able to do that. And because that is like my primary goal, I use Instagram as my platform to promote that and build that up, so that way I can bring people over to this channel or vice versa, whichever way it goes. And if you're watching the channel, this video right now, please go give me a follow on Instagram. I'm just trying to get my followers up. And also get more people, because every single day I do daily motivation. And I think that if you're sitting right here watching this channel right now, that is something you need every single day. Just check me out. I appreciate it, and I love you for it. But continue further though. Another reason I started a YouTube channel is because I want to have a creative outlet. I'm a poet, I have a clothing brand, and I like to connect with artistic people. Before now, I never considered myself very artistic, and I'm going to create another video probably in a few minutes off of that idea. But with that being said though, I just want to put it in an atmosphere, you know, that I can and I can do creative things and do more than I believe that I can, because I set my mind to it. And I know YouTube, a lot of people start YouTube because their ultimate goal is to make, you know, their goal is really to make money, and I think that's my primary goal when I was 12. Now that I'm older, I don't necessarily care so much about the money. I just want to bring value to people every single day and whatever videos I do. Which brings me to the next point. What kind of videos will I be making? Basically, what I want to do is put motivational content out there. I want to do some workout stuff, kind of similar to Christian movement, where he does a workout and he voices over it. I have a video like that. It's one of my first videos, calisthenics workout. Go check that out. It's not the best video, but it's getting there. And I will be doing more workout videos very soon. But I also want to be able to do social experiments, stuff that matters, you know, people will laugh at. Obviously, I'll do some of those like kids talk to girl type pranks or social experiments more so. But I have some more serious questions in my head that I want to ask people. And I feel like that other YouTubers aren't really doing, and those are more pressing issues that I think can be addressed and would be more exciting for people to watch. Not necessarily more exciting, but more relatable, or you know, just sometimes people want to be like, oh, wow, that's really deep, I never thought about that. So that's the kind of question I want to be able to ask when I go do some social experiments. But also, of course, I want to pick up a chick, you know. But anyways, pretty much just moving along. I'm back. I don't know if you noticed that little room, but it's because my SD card died. I kind of forgot. Well, it didn't die. It just filled up. So, I forgot what I was saying, but pretty much, I just want to have a channel where I can do everything that I want for all the interests that I have. Because I don't necessarily want to limit myself, you know. If someone takes off, yeah, I'll bandwagon off, or it takes off for me. I'm also gonna stay true to myself and create content that is enjoyable for me to make and that you guys like. So, that being said, I appreciate you. Go ahead and give me a fat thumbs up. Go ahead and comment down below. Go ahead and subscribe somewhere. Maybe down there, maybe the link in the description, or somewhere else. But go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe. Go ahead and follow me on Instagram at GarryWash4, Garry with 2 R's. It'll be right here. And then, yeah, check out Lacuna Collective, lacuna-collective.com. Have some new heat coming, some new drops coming, some new designs, all of that coming real soon. So please go ahead and stay tuned for that. With that being said, I love you guys. You have an awesome day. Every day is amazing. And I hope I made it a little bit better. Deuces, beautiful people. Outro!
You can do it, mean.